You ready for that person, sir?
Yeah, whenever you are.
Okay.
I'm just waiting on you.
Okay.
Okay, Moto G Supra. Mr. Supra. Mr. Moto G. Let's have a silica. Mr. Supra, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Okay, there you are up there. Okay. Can you give me your real name, or is that your name?
Sierra Elmore.
What is it? I'm sorry.
Sierra Elmore.
Sierra Elmore.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
Miss Elmore, I'm working from home. And so I'm going to have to get your case
Okay.
information from our court administrator, who's also on the line. So if you can just hang with us for about 10 seconds, she can
Okay.
tell me what we're dealing with.
All right, this
Okay.
is a show
Yes.
cause hearing. There was a payment that was due on the 15th of January, and we did not receive it. There was a 30-day extension done.
Okay, so the extension was to January 15th,
Yes, sir.
and this was for a payment of a fine, or was it a
Yes,
payment?
sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yeah. Currently,
What's the amount due, Ms. Steenbeck?
It's showing $300.
Okay, Ms. Elmore, raise your right hand for me, please. Solemnly swear to tell the truth, hold other right, other side. You got your left hand raised.
yes, sir. Sorry.
Yep. Yeah, it's the one on that side. Yeah. Solemnly swear to tell the truth, whole truth, and nothing but the
Sir.
truth, so help you God.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Okay. So what are we going to do about this payment, Miss Elmore?
Unfortunately, I have not been able to come up with the funds. I've been in a little bit of issues with medical stuff lately. I planned on paying it in full as soon as I was receiving my tax return, and I should be receiving that within the next 2 weeks.
Okay. What was the fine for? What was the case?
Possession of drug paraphernalia.
Okay.
I believe
Okay, Miss Elmore, you just froze up. Miss Elmore, can you hear me?
yes, sir.
Okay, you froze. Your screen froze for a second.
Okay, I'm sorry about that.
You started to say something?
Okay, so I've been unable to hold on to the funds. I've been dealing with a lot of car troubles and medical issues lately. I had planned initially, I'm receiving my tax return within the next 2 weeks and to just pay off everything in full.
Okay, so the $300 is what you owe? Is that your
Yes, sir.
understanding, Miss?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I'll give you one more opportunity.
Yes, sir. Thank you so much. And yes, as soon as that tax return hits my bank, that's the first thing I'm doing.
Okay, it'll be due on by 3/16, March
Okay.
16th.
Yes, sir. Plenty of time.
So make sure, well, that's what people say, and then it gets around to March 16th and we're doing this again.
Okay. Yes, sir. I understand.
So we'll hold off on issuing any sort of warrant or anything, give you a chance to get this paid till the March 16th.
Okay. Thank you so much.
Okay, do you have any questions?
No, sir.
Okay, do we have your email address, Miss Elmore?
I'm not too sure if you do. I can provide it for you.
Yeah, if you would look on the sheet that we sent you, just down about 3/4 or 2/3 of the way down there, there's an email address that's municipal_court.
Okay. Yes, sir.
You see that?
Yes, sir.
Okay, if you would send us an email just saying, this is Sierra Elmore and here's my email address. That
Yes,
way
sir.
we'll have it and we can send you a notice on when this next payment's due, or
Okay,
final
awesome.
payment's due.
Awesome. Thank you so much.
Okay, good luck to you. Stay safe,
you.
stay warm.
You as well. Thank you.
Okay, bye-bye. Got another one, okay. Hello, who's on the phone ending in 521? Okay, who's on the phone ending in 521? Hello, who's on the phone, please? Whoever you are, you need to unmute. Hello, who's on the phone, please?
Hello.
Hello, can you identify yourself, please?
Yes, my name is Frances Frazier. I'm going to try to put you on speaker. I can just barely hear you. Okay, give me 1 second, please.
Okay.
Can you hear me, sir?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, finally. Okay, sorry about that. I couldn't hear what they were saying.
That's all right.
I had used my phone since all the power's off. So
No,
my
this is
phone
fine.
didn't even go to bed. Okay.
No, this is fine. Ms. Frazier, I'm working from home. You can't see me, but so
Okay.
the court administrator is going to pull up your information and tell me what we're dealing with. So if you'll just
Okay.
hang with us for about 15 seconds, she'll be able to tell me what we have to discuss.
She's a pretrial, sir, so I need to put her in there with Cynthia.
Okay, Ms. Frazier, what that means is that you've already appeared before the court and pled not guilty. I'm not sure whether you
I have not, sir. I have not appeared before the court. This is my first court appearance.
Okay, so let's see Vicky, why are we showing it as a pretrial?
When she sent in her remote hearing notice, she circled not guilty.
Okay. So, Ms. Frazier, what happened is, you're right, you hadn't appeared, but you've entered a plea of not guilty on paper. And when you do that, we send you a pretrial notice, number one, to find out if you want to have a trial with a judge or a jury. And number two, so that we can set you up for a pretrial meeting with the city prosecutor, Cynthia Trevino. Y'all can talk about pretrial matters. Since you've pled not guilty, I cannot hear any facts about the case because we have to have both parties present, but you can discuss facts with Ms. Trevino for two reasons. Number one, if you think you have a defense, and number two, see if y'all can work something out. If not, we will set you on the non-jury docket or I guess non-jury. If you're not able to resolve it, do you want a trial with a judge or a jury, Ms. Frazier?
A judge, but I prefer to just get everything taken care of today if I can.
Okay,
I don't have to necessarily, given the circumstances, I put not guilty, but I'm willing. I mean, I'd just like to work it out today.
okay, well, since you still have a not guilty plea showing, let me let you talk to Ms. Trevino.
Okay.
See if y'all can work something out.
Okay.
Vicky, what is the case? What type of case is it?
Public and talks.
Okay. All right. Yeah. Ms. Frazier, I'll flip you on in to talk to Ms. Trevino and see if y'all can work something out so to where you can dispose of it today.
Okay. If not, will she return me to you?
Yes, ma'am. But I feel confident if you want to work it out, she wants to work it out, and y'all can probably get it resolved today. If not, yes, ma'am, it'll come back to me.
Okay, that's fair enough.
All right. Thank you, Ms. Frazier. Don't hang up because you're going to
I
have
won't.
to join what's called a breakout room.
Now, my phone, the only thing is, since I don't have any power, I haven't been able to charge my phone. So it may go out. And I'm a teacher, so I have to find out if we're going to have a snow day tomorrow or what's going on at school. So that's why I kind of hate, I don't know how long this is going to take, and I'm afraid that,
It shouldn't take more than 5 minutes.
okay, that would be fine then. Thank you.
Yes, ma'am. Got any more waiting, Vicky?
Okay, right now, we don't have anybody, but an attorney's going to try to log in to talk to Cynthia.
All right. Were you going to send him to me or just straight to her?
He wanted to speak to Cynthia. He said they just finally got internet where he's at.
Okay, so you want to go back to stamping, or are you done, or you want to?
I'm done. There wasn't a whole lot, but there was enough.
But there's still enough in the basket for me.
Yeah, your basket's full. You got some pre-trial orders. You need to sign them. And some PR bonds and some questions.
Many sad letters.
Yeah.
Okay.